would you eat this pepperoni pizza right here for $1 quadrillion? Let that sink in. That's
I'm 100% taking the deal, even though the pepperoni is made from a baby calf that I have to feed a slice to its mother. Not even Peter can tell me to say no to that deal. That's $1 quadrillion, dog. That's a thousand trillionaires. I do not care that Makima appears and says he'll do anything for me. I will be like, okay, F off. I'm trying to get this bag. I ain't got no time for you. Owens, that will make you 1,000 trillionaires. Let that sink in. You will get a legal invite to Epstein's Island, fit. To all these islands the billionaires own, like you will get a legal invite and not be kidnapped. So I am taking the deal 100%.